remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo and so much.
Hello everybody, this is Chris Boudreau from Scrapskate Co. And I was going through my videos and Tiffany noticed that the dog actually started reacting to the video, which is kind of weird. But the video is me and Chris doing, we're like beeping at each other at an intersection, but this is the dog.
Thank you.
Peanut, what are you doing? Now I'll do it again and he'll probably react again.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's Peanut's reaction to me and Chris beeping at each other.
Does that make me crazy?